Welcome to day 10 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will do a simple grounding yoga practice, around 10 minutes of standing yoga poses and a short breathing exercise at the end. Let's begin standing with feet wide apart, feet parallel to each other. Ground your feet down, lengthen through the crown of your head. Take a slow, deep inhale, reach your arms up overhead, look up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart center. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, palms together to your heart. One more time. Slow inhale, reach up. Slow exhale, lower your hands through center to your heart. Release your arms. Turn your right foot out so the toes point to the short edge of the mat. Take your left arm behind your back, roll your left shoulder back. And reach forward with your right arm as far as you can from the hips. Bring your right hand down to the shin. And you can look up, forward or down in this triangle variation. Keep rolling your left shoulder back, opening the chest towards the ceiling. One more deep breath. Keep your left arm as it is. Lift your torso and bend your right knee above the ankle. Adjust the distance between your feet if you need to. And reach your right arm up and back into reverse warrior. Continue to breathe into your chest and belly. With each exhale, sitting a little lower into the hips. Inhale here. Exhale, right forearm down to the side. Left arm reaches up and over the head for side angle. Press the outside of your left foot into the mat. Reach through your left fingertips. One more inhale. Exhale. And release. Come back to center, feet parallel. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend forward and bring your fingertips or palms down. Take a moment here to notice the difference between your right and left side. Take one more breath in and out. Then press yourself up to standing. Turn your left foot out. Bring your right forearm behind your back. Reach forward with your left arm and drop your hand to the shin. Roll your right shoulder a bit more back. Gaze up, forward or down. One more breath here. Press yourself up, bend your left knee above the ankle, adjust your feet, and reach your left arm up and back. Lean back into reverse warrior, but keep your left knee bent above the ankle. One more inhale in reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle, left forearm to the side. Right arm reaches over the head for a big side stretch. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale, release and come to center with your feet parallel. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward bend from the hips. Take a few more breaths here. Notice how left and right side of the body feel now. With your next breath, press yourself up to standing. Turn your toes out, heels in for goddess pose. Bend the knees so that the knees point in the same direction as your toes. Imagine you're pressing your knees out, legs really strong and engaged. Palms come together to your heart and breathe. One more breath, maybe sit a little lower here. And then straighten the legs, heel to your feet together. Shift weight into your right foot, and for tree pose, place your left foot on your ankle, shin or inner thigh. Press your palms together and try to find your center, your balance. Notice the body swaying side to side, the weight shifting on your right foot. Trying to find that center position in the middle where you can catch the balance. Take one more breath in tree pose. And release. Shake your legs out before you switch sides. Bring weight into your left foot and place your right foot on your ankle, shin or inner thigh. Find your variation and breathe there. Observe your body on this side. Notice the small movements happening in the body to help you find the balance. The more you practice, the smaller these movements become, but they are always there. A little adjustments happening to keep you centered. Release your right foot down, ground your feet. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, forward fold. From here, cross your ankles and try to sit down to the mat without using your hands as much as you can. Find a comfortable cross-legged seat. Feel free to use a blanket underneath your hips to elevate them. Find a position where you can stay still as we practice pranayama, the breathing exercise. Sit up nice and tall. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Hands in your lap or on your knees. Eyes closed or half closed, and the gaze goes down towards the floor. Notice the natural flow of your breath right now. Without changing anything, simply notice, is your breath deep or shallow, long or short breath? And then slowly begin to deepen and elongate your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. We will do a few rounds of equal breathing or box breathing exercise, where you inhale and exhale on the count of 4. I will count for you, but if you feel that my counting is too slow or too fast for you, feel free to go at your own pace. Take a deep inhale down into your belly and a slow exhale through the nose. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue breathing a few rounds on your own. And after your next exhale, release your breath. Let it flow naturally again. And notice the quality of your breath now after a few rounds of equal breathing. This simple breathing exercise is a great way to calm down the mind and help you focus. And the best thing, you can use it anytime during the day when you feel like you need a little moment of peace and calm. With your next inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, palms together to your heart. And open your eyes. I hope you are feeling a little bit more grounded and centered after this practice. Wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 11. Bye!